Yay, so let's make some chocolate fudge crinkle cookies, for which you need 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 60 ml of vegetable oil, 60 grams cocoa powder, 200 grams caster sugar, or what we call baker's sugar, 2 large eggs. In a bowl, first add cocoa powder, sugar, add the oil, and just whisk away to glory. Now add one egg at a time and whisk until you achieve a glossy mixture. So although the recipe does not advise adding in vanilla flavor, I'm adding 1 teaspoon just to get rid of that eggy flavor. So here goes. I've added some vanilla essence to it and I'm just going to whisk away to glory. So to my chocolate mixture, I've added 200 grams of flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder and a pinch of salt. And now I'm going to bind this all together and make it into a nice dough. As you can see, the mixtures come beautifully together as a dough. Now what you need to do is either cling it in a foil, wrap it up and cling it in a foil and refrigerate it for 1 hour, or just refrigerate it in the bowl for 1 hour. My assembly line is ready. Some chocolate chip cookies to stuff the cookies with. Here's some icing sugar. I'm going to roll the cookies in some of the icing sugar right here. And then I'm going to place it in the tray here to bake. My cookie is going into the icing sugar just for a light dusting. And then just place it on the tray. The cookies are now going into the oven, which is preheated at 190 degrees Celsius. You have to keep them for 10 minutes exact. Ta-da! Nice and baked and crinkled, just like they're made. Keep the cookies on the rack to cool off. They'll also harden in the process.